Hello everyone. So after lots of trial and error, finally we achieved the goal of the day. So from this morning, I am working on this small and cute looking Quictel module called L89, and this is a GNSS module which also supports the Indian navigation system called Navic. So I'm using it with a ESP32, and this actually streams an enemy string every second to our module. But the issue is that the existing libraries are not working with this module out of the box. So what we did, we created our own library. Now this library is properly working now, which is pretty good. The accuracy that we are getting from this teeny tiny module is very good. That is 120 meters. At a time we connected with 7 satellites, and this is the longitude, latitude, and this is a raw enemy string for debugging. So now how you can calculate this enemy string to this longitude, latitude and everything, there are a very good documentation available in the internet, and from that we know how to calculate this. So this first 2 digit actually represent the hours, and rest of the all are minutes. So we have to convert them into what you can say minute value by dividing it into 60, and that's the same thing what we have done here as well. And after that we got the location, the longitude and the latitude, and if we put this longitude and latitude in a map, we got a result something like that, which is pretty accurate. So that's the summary of today's and this video. Also we will keep posting the videos about this teeny tiny module, what is the business application and what we are going to build using this, which can help you and your business in your day-to-day life. Also stay tuned with us so that you don't miss any videos like this interesting topics. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.